Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on how we can correlate between Kc and Kp. So let's get started. Ammonium chloride in its solid state decomposes into gases ammonia and hydrogen chloride in a closed system at high temperature. This decomposition is a reversible process that establishes equilibrium under specific conditions. Determine the Kp of this reaction given that the Kc is 0.158 when the reaction is carried out at 650 Kelvin. Alright, so to attempt this question, the first thing that you need to do is you need to write the balance equation. So we have NH4 Cl in the solid state. It will decompose into NH3 plus HCl, which is in a gaseous form because it's that gases ammonia and hydrogen chloride, right? So both of these are in a gaseous form. So this one, ammonium chloride, is in a solid state, right? This is very important because you need to find what is your delta N. So delta N is whatever in the product divided by whatever in the reactant, provided that it is in gaseous form. So this is a balance equation. So we have 1 mole of NH3 and we have 1 mole of HCl minus the reactant is 0 because the reactant is in solid. So your N is equivalent to 2. Alright, so next up we can calculate our Kp by using the value of Kc that is given in the question. So Kp is equivalent to Kc times RT to the power of N. Alright, so your Kc is given in the question 0.158 and your R is a gas constant 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. So your T is 650 Kelvin, and all these things you need to do to the power of your delta N, which is 2. So you just have to plug in this value in your calculator. You should get 2.8478 times 10 to the power of 3. So at the end you should be able to get your Kp is equivalent to 449.95. So basically your Kp and Kc will not have any units, so you can leave this at this. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.